The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras for both photographers and videographers. Canon seems to be taking a big leap forward with this model, incorporating impressive upgrades in sensor technology, video capabilities, autofocus performance, and processing power, all aimed at creating a true hybrid tool for content creators. One standout feature is the anticipated 24-megapixel stacked backside illuminated sensor, which could be derived from Canon's higher-end R3 model. This sensor is designed to read data faster, helping to eliminate rolling shutter issues that often plague fast action scenes. Whether you're shooting sports or fast-moving wildlife, this improvement can make a big difference in capturing crisp, distortion-free images. On the video side, Canon appears to be pulling out all the stops. The R6 Mark III is rumored to support 4000 recording at up to 120 frames per second. That opens the door for smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage, something that's becoming increasingly valuable for filmmakers and content creators. Even more impressive is the possibility of 6K RAW video recording, which would position this camera closer to professional-grade equipment. If Canon includes support for high-speed CAF cards, users will benefit from much faster data transfer, essential for handling those large video files. Color grading enthusiasts will appreciate the expected inclusion of Canon log profiles, offering flat color output to preserve detail in both highlights and shadows. This gives editors more freedom and dynamic range when refining their footage during post-production. Autofocus is another area where the R6 Mark III is set to shine. Canon's dual-pixel AF has already earned a reputation for speed and accuracy, and this version may take things even further. With AI-driven subject detection, it could recognize a wide array of subjects and track them more intelligently, even in complex or low-light environments. Enhanced eye and face detection is also on the horizon, which should please portrait photographers looking for precision and reliability. Behind all these features is Canon's updated Digic-X processor, which will likely boost overall performance, from snappier autofocus calculations to better noise control. It's the kind of under-the-hood upgrade that makes a real difference in day-to-day use. Price-wise, the R6 Mark III is expected to land in the $2,500 to $3,000 range. That makes it an appealing option for serious enthusiasts and professionals who want flagship-level features without paying top-tier prices. The release is projected for early 2025, although timing will be key. Releasing it too soon after the R6 Mark II might frustrate recent buyers, while a delay could push potential customers toward rival brands. Design and handling are also expected to get some attention. Canon has always placed a premium on ergonomics, and the new model will likely feature a more refined body for better comfort during long shoots. Durability improvements, including better weather sealing, could also be in store, making this a dependable companion in challenging outdoor conditions. Connectivity features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and possibly more advanced wireless controls will make sharing and remote shooting more convenient for today's fast-paced content creation landscape. This makes the camera not just a studio tool, but something that's equally ready for travel, live streaming, and mobile editing workflows. The R6 Mark III might also continue Canon's tradition of strong low-light performance. Thanks to the new sensor design, users should see cleaner results in dim conditions, a crucial advantage for wedding, event, and night photographers. All in all, Canon seems to be building a mirrorless camera that blends performance, flexibility, and value in a way that appeals to both still shooters and filmmakers. With the right release strategy and all the rumored features coming to life, the R6 Mark III could very well become a go-to camera for creators looking for professional results without jumping to ultra high-end models.